My name is Dr. Germaine Murray, and I will be teaching the tutorial next fall in 2023. And the tutorial is going to be on the origin of stories and the origin of evil in supernatural tales, myth, and fairy tales. I've been interested in this for a long time. I've taught all of those different kinds of stories in separate classes. And now what I want to do is sort of look at all of them together in this tutorial that we're doing, and especially look at this sort of problem of evil, because it seems to me that supernatural tales and fairy tales and myth all deal with the origin of evil, or the how discord or chaos enters the human life world. And so I also want to look at how stories spread, why they spread, how universal they are. I want to look at different versions of tales, fairy tales especially, but maybe some supernatural tales as well. I'm thinking about maybe talking about the various versions of the vampire tale, and comparing them, and why do we have such tales, that kind of thing. So I'm really very excited about it. I'm very interested in the origin of narrative and the origin of stories. So I hope you can join me. The tutorial is going to be it's a fun thing. No exams, but what we do is discuss and we write. When we discuss and we write, we present and we write, and we have great discussions. So talk to your friends or fellow students who've taken my tutorial before, and they'll tell you a lot of conversation, and I think that's the best way to learn. Anyway, so there you go. Hope to see you there. Happy February. Bye-bye.